Have you ever dreamed of the flexibility of running your own business from home? The world of virtual assistants opens the door to a fulfilling and economical path. With minimal startup costs and the ability to work from anywhere, this venture enables you to tap into your organizational skills and help busy professionals manage their tasks efficiently. To embark on your exciting journey, the first crucial step is to choose the services you'll offer. Consider starting with fundamental tasks like email management and data entry to build your confidence. As you gain expertise, broaden your service portfolio by incorporating social media management or project coordination, catering to the evolving needs of your clients. Creating a solid business plan is your next milestone. Sketch out your target clientele, specify your services, set your pricing, and establish clear income goals. Knowing who your ideal client is, be it a small business owner, a real estate agent, or an online entrepreneur, shapes your strategy and helps you focus your marketing efforts effectively. Once your plan is in place, it's time to officially register your business. Select a memorable name that embodies your brand and register it based on your state's regulations. Forming an LLC is advisable for liability protection, ensuring you can operate as a legitimate enterprise. Now, transform your physical space into a productive workspace. Equip yourself with a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and essential software tools. Platforms such as Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 will enhance your productivity, streamlining communication with clients, and reinforcing your professionalism. With your foundation set, it is time to determine your rates. As a beginner, you may charge between $15 and $35 per hour, gradually adjusting your fees based on your experience and the complexity of services provided. Building an online presence through a polished website and an engaging LinkedIn profile will amplify your reach. Clearly stating your services, demonstrating your expertise, and providing testimonials will attract potential clients. Finding your first clients may feel daunting, but numerous platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr cater to freelancers. Don't hesitate to network within Facebook groups and local business communities. Exceptional service will entice clients to return to you and recommend you to others, building your reputation. Efficient systems and processes can make or break your business's scalability. Tools like Trello and Asana help keep you organized amidst the demands of multiple clients. Yet, the heart of your success lies in delivering outstanding service, meeting deadlines, and nurturing long-term relationships. As your business flourishes, explore various strategies to grow. Consider raising your rates or diversifying your offerings to meet the ever-changing market demand. With a startup cost of merely a few $100s and the potential to earn significantly more, your ambition can pave the way for a thriving virtual assistant business.